सो कैसे हो बच्चों? होप एवरीवन इज़ फाइन। तो चलिए आज हम बात करेंगे टी फ्रॉम आसाम। टी सबका फेवरेट बेवरेज, सबका तो नहीं कहूँगी, मैक्सिमम लोगों का, स्पेशली इंडियंस का। कुछ भी हो, कोई भी घर पे आए, चाय चाय चाय। घर की जो सुबह होती है, लोगों की जो सुबह होती है, दैट इज़ विद चाय। तो चाय और ये टी, देखते हैं ये आई कहाँ से, ये क्या, कहाँ से इसकी जनरेशन हुई, कैसे कल्टीवेशन हुई, क्या है ये, ठीक है। तो इसको जानने के लिए हमें पढ़ना है एक ट्रैवलॉग टी फ्रॉम असम, जो कि आपकी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट में से है, ग्लिम्पसेस ऑफ इंडिया का थर्ड पार्ट। ट्रैवलॉग क्या होता है? ट्रैवलॉग इज़ अ डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अ जर्नी, एक जर्नी का पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो इसमें ये डिस्क्रिप्शन ही दिया हुआ है पूरी जर्नी का। किसकी जर्नी है? जर्नी है दो बच्चों की, प्रांजल और राजवीर। ये दोनों दोस्त हैं जो कि पढ़ रहे हैं दिल्ली में। प्रांजल बिलोंग्स टू आसाम एंड राजवीर फ्रॉम दिल्ली इटसेल्फ। Rajveer has hardly seen any greenery in Delhi. We all know Delhi is the busiest place, full of pollution and industries and all, right? Whereas Assam is a place where you can see greenery, which is full of greenery. Anyhow, they got the summer break, and this time Pranjal invited Rajveer to his house in Assam. तो जर्नी शुरू करें उनकी। जर्नी शुरू होती है, दोनों बच्चे जो हैं दे स्टार्ट देयर जर्नी फ्रॉम ट्रेन, वाया ट्रेन टू Assam. And one more character we will have in it, Mr. Barua. Mr. Barua is father of Pranjal, who is a manager of a tea garden in Assam. Clear? इसके बाद अब जर्नी जब शुरू हुई, स्टार्ट that Delhi passed, and when they reached to Assam, on the way they entered the state of Assam. Rajveer was excited to see the greenery outside. On the other hand, it was casual for Pranjal. Why? सोचिए क्या रीज़न हो सकता है कि प्रांजल के लिए वो कैजुअल था और राजवीर बड़ा एक्साइटेड था? You guessed it right. Pranjal is a native of Assam. He had been brought up in Assam. तो उसके लिए this greenery is nothing new. ठीक है। तो सिमिलरली अब जो राजवीर है, राजवीर बिलोंग्स टू दिल्ली। दिल्ली की हम बात कर ही चुके हैं। सो नाउ ही इज़ क्वाइट क्यूरियस एंड एक्साइटेड। आप भी तो होते हो, जब किसी नई जगह पे जाते हो, यू आर एक्साइटेड, राइट? तो सिमिलरली राजवीर इज ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड. नाउ व्हेन दे एंटर्ड इनटू असम, अ पर्सन, अ वेंडर केम. चाय गरम, चाय गरम. चाय नहीं पीने बैठना किसी ने, चाय का चैप्टर पढ़ते पढ़ते, ठीक है? तो the vendor with the tea came, and then they were discussing. Rajveer told Pranjal, do you know every 80 crore of cups of tea is drunk. 80 crores. So it's a big number. Pranjal was here, yes, you know, tea is something like that, and they kept on discussing. Okay, then Rajveer added that, do you know there is a legend behind this tea? From where does this tea origin? There are two legends. One is Chinese and other is about Bodhi Dharma. Now what about Chinese? He elaborates. He says that once a Chinese emperor had an habit of drinking boiling water. So he was his king's men, his court people were boiling water under a tree. Anyhow, certain leaves from the tree fell into the boiling water, and without any information, without knowing this, the Chinese emperor drank that, and he felt it so relished. He relished it, and he enjoyed that sip of boiling water, and therefore it came the existence of tea. Then he adds, there is one more legend, as I told you, about Bodhidharma. What's that? One of the ascetic, Buddha, he was sent, he was doing meditation and he was being disturbed from his sleep. That while meditation, why I am falling asleep? तो संत तो होते ही बड़े स्ट्रिक्ट हैं. उन्होंने क्या किया? He cut down his eyelids, he cut down and threw in the soil. From there came out 10 tea plants of tea, saplings of tea, which emerged into plants, and it is believed that from there the tea might have originated, right? Next, then he added, that Pranjal, that tea was first drunk in China in around 2700 BC, and from there the name came as chai, chini chai, kind of that. Also, he added that it was introduced by Europeans in the 16th century as a medicine. Yes, सही सुना आप लोगों ने, as a medicine. But आज वो क्या बन के रह गई है? Beverage. जैसे मैंने शुरू में बताया, हमारी सुबह होती ही चाय से है. आपकी क्या कहूँ, मैं अपनी भी यही बात करूँगी. सही है? तो he said it was introduced as a medicine, but gradually it became a beverage, right? So with this conversation, the journey came to a halt. They reached Mariani Junction, and there at the platform, Pranjol's mother and father were waiting for both the boys. They received them and moved towards Dhekiabadi tea estate, where Pranjal and his family lived. On the way, while going after a journey of an hour, they entered the tea estates, and Pranjal was quite excited to see everything. Not only excited, he was sharing information with Pranjal's father, Mr. Barua, continuously. He added that, sir, by looking at the tea pluckers, he saw tea pluckers who were plucking freshly sprouted tea leaves. He asked that, sir, Mr. Barua, if it were the second flush or sprouting period which lasts from May to July and that gives the best yield, is it that? Listening to this, Mr. Barua was astonished, surprised. Any idea why? सोचिए थोड़ा. Might be this is the reason. Reason is कि Rajveer does not belong to Assam, but he had done his homework very well. Before going to a new place, he had explored everything. Explored about the place he is going to visit. He did his homework. So, one of the message, besides telling us the travelogue, besides telling us about tea from Assam, one more message is there, that the students must emulate. What word I used? Emulate. Copy, or I must say imitate. Try to emulate Rajveer. That before visiting a new place, you must explore about it. So this is one of the learnings of tea from Assam, besides it being a travelogue. Right? So again, hoping that you people have understand it well. As usual, फिर भी अगर आपके कुछ questions हैं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर पूछना मत भूलिएगा. और हाँ, चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना है. राइट? सो विद दिस, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.